So finally, we get to work out some examples. First one here, we have to simplify, by the way, that's the general rule. So I'm going to go through this well, clear as I can, but I'm hoping now that I've discussed the rules and some warnings to be aware of, I'm hoping you will follow through. So if I skip some steps, try and make sense of that. Really do not expect me to solve everything throughout. Because remember, at the end of the day, you've got to make sure that you understand this. And the only way for you to do that is to see that you can fill in some of the gaps that I leave out here. So what's important at this stage, folks, you can break that exponent. So this is just the reverse of law number one. And then you are still multiplying by b to the n. Then since you are multiplying throughout and you know that multiplication is commutative, in other words, a times b is the same as b times a, you can definitely put bn and b to the n and with b to the n. And at this point, you can even take down that negative exponent there. Okay, and so finally, you can see we're going to have b to the exponent of 2n all over b. You can leave it at this if there is no specification, but since bases are the same, it will be nice for you to actually be reasonable and do that. Which means actually, even at this step, even if you left that b there, that was still cool, no problem at all. Just depends on which rule naturally clicks as you work along these things. As you practice these things more, you will see what is necessary sometimes and what is really not necessary in some cases. Let us move on and come to this here. There's a very interesting one because you've got a compound exponent, an exponent with an exponent. So we are going to apply the rule. We've got 3. And then what we know, what is the rule here? The rule is that we must add the exponents because bases are the same. So I'm going to have n cubed plus n. That's it. Bases are the same, add the exponents. So I am done. I'm not going to go any further. Do not try and be drastic and try and find yourself multiplying the exponents. No, simply apply the rule. If you want to be sophisticated, you can factorize the exponent up there and have n squared plus 1. That doesn't really make much of a difference. It's just you being smart, maybe being bored and you are playing around this. So that's what you could do as well. However, the critical thing here is to apply the law as it is. Add up the exponents. All right. Don't be tempted to do that and have n to the exponent 4. All right, let me do the third one. Then I wrap this video. Here, you've got b to the exponent of 2x all over b to the x. This becomes b to the exponent of 2x minus x. This is b to the x. Simple, straightforward. Okay, let me pause here. I'll wrap up in the next video.